In today's video, I'm showing you the stocks that I'm buying that have open opportunities you can grab. Hi, my name is Julia. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this channel, I show you all the scopes. I teach you where money is lying in the stock market, and when you follow me, I show you how to grow your money. It is super easy. So watch to the end and see how to make some money. There are so many ways to make money in the stock market, even the lazy way, meaning that your money can be working for you. So I practically teach you how to fish. So let's get on. Now, there are so many things that happen in the stock market this particular week. The earning seasons are back, and some of my favorite companies, Tesla, Coca-Cola, Google, Ford, IBM, American Airlines, reported their earnings this week. And the biggest ones were Tesla and Coca-Cola. They reported their earnings Tuesday night after market closed, and oh boy, they dragged the market down. So this is what happened with Tesla. Can you imagine? Look at how Tesla just moved from 254, thereabouts, down to 222. So this is what happened. Earnings per share came in below Wall Street estimates, and Tesla dropped in fact, people started selling off. All the investors started to sell off, and the major reason is that their robo taxi that they wanted to unveil, they have moved it from August to October, and even at that, they're not even so sure. So this got the investors angry. So even their earnings per share, they reported 52 cents against 62 cents that was expected. Remember that last year what they had was 90 cents per share. Can you see that even till now they're not even doing well? So Tesla dropped massively, as you can see from this chart. It dropped from 250 something down to 222, and it's not even that bad. The thing is that right now it has created buy opportunities, because as at the time of this recording, this stock is under 215. Okay, so what it means is that it can give us room if it drops lower to 200, and if it drops lower to 200, that's a good place to buy, and you can grab it and ride it up to 270, making over $50 in profits. So take a look at the 1 hour time frame. You can see that it got to 270, was rejected not once, not twice, even the third time it couldn't even get there, but it dropped massively. So right now, at the time of the recording, Tesla is now less than $215. Like I said, my personal buy will be anything below $200. Anything within $200 to 205 is a perfect place for me to buy. I will wait. Right now it is at 215, because that is one of the places I need it to come a little bit lower, and that is how you're going to make some money. Tesla will make us some money, and trust me, it is going to be super awesome. Next up on my list is Google. Alphabet. This is one of my favorite stocks. It's a monster stock and is a perfect long-term stock. This is a stock you can buy and you keep it for a very long time. What happened? So Google met up with their earnings, but they missed their estimates on just YouTube ad revenue. And just because the tech stock was already selling off, it's just affected Google. Google, my lovely, super amazing stock, dropped from $186 down to $179, and it was actually on an all-time high of $191. But this is what terrible earnings from Tesla, because Tesla is a giant, so when it's coming down, it's dragging other ones down. So unfortunately, even though they had good earnings share, they beat their earnings share, they beat their revenue, but still it came crashing down, and the sell-off continued today from 176 down to 173. Can you beat that? So it is actually within a lovely buy range for me, which I'm looking forward to. And like I said, Google is one of my favorite stocks. Now Google has a strong support around 170 and 172, 173 range. So I'm monitoring this stock, and I'm looking to see what will happen between now and Friday, because we have a major economic news dropping down on Friday, and when it happens, I want to look at if that 171, 173 range will hold. If it breaks it, then we are coming down to 150 ranges. But if it doesn't break, we will be looking to see if 171 holds. If it holds, then it will be a good way to ride it back all the way to 190, and that is a lot of money. Check it now, $170 to 190. $190, that's about $20. Is a good profit for doing absolutely nothing, just buying the right stock at the right time. And if it goes down to 150, that means you're getting yourself $40, free $40. That's been super amazing. So generally the market tumbled. This has today has been one of the worst days in a very long time. We've not had a market sell off like this in the stock market. So all the stocks that I'm watching at this point in time are Palantir, because it has gone from $29, almost a $30 hit, and it has dropped down to $26. This is another stock that if you have smaller amount of money, buying it, you're going to enjoy it. Imagine grabbing the stock at $26 and the stock stays and heads up to $29 to $30. That's $4 profit per each move. And if you have 10 shares, that's $40 neat. Very simple, easy, and a lazy way to make money. I hope you enjoyed today's video and you learned one or two things. So if you really got some information that is going to help you, hit the subscribe button, like, drop a comment, and I'm going to show you the next two stocks that you can also buy that will make you a millionaire between now and the next coming weeks or even months. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.